face again. Your name still sits where my heart's been. I've been talking to myself like you still here, scrolling through old texts that I shouldn't read. Told my girls I'm fine, but that's half a lie. Healing takes time when the goodbyes dry. You said space will help us grow. Now I'm just here sleeping cold. Echoes of you, still in my bed, still in my view. I move on and fall right through. Yeah, I'm free, but I feel you too. Echoes of you. Echoes of you. Used to wear your hoodie like it kept me safe. Now it hangs and staring from my closet space. Trying to love me how you used to do, but every mirror just like you. Do you replay me when you're alone? Or am I just a ghost in your phone? Echoes of you, still in my bed, still in my view. I'm moving forward right through. Yeah, I'm free, but I feel you too. Echoes of you. Echoes of you. Your name fades slow in the morning, but the